Hello, thank you for watching my video. This is a short video about Pioneer, what I did. If the people follow me, I closed this one, profit $6, and I open a new bot, they call Rebalancing Bot, and I got Matic and Avalanche. Okay, rebalancing in 5 minutes. Matic, that's what I got. Matic, 48 Matic, 1 Avalanche. The balance change so far is 40%, so $1. Why I move, and I think Matic is gonna go up, continue go up in Avalanche. There is a 100% that is gonna go up. That's not financial advice, but let me see what we have here. In the market, I use KuCoin too. And you can see Luna, Avalanche. It's over here. If you need my link, I'm gonna put my link here in KuCoin. I use KuCoin too to see the market, and look, it's 129. It takes a little longer. Buy rows. Okay, a little time to, but you can see here $129. Rows, that's what I have here. I like rows. We partner with Facebook. What else can I tell you about KuCoin? And this is KuCoin. I use it a lot. I have staking that over here. This is my dot. You go here, let me see. KuCoin earnings. And next time I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make another video about the KuCoin. I'm staking over here at Binance. No, Binance, sorry, KuCoin. That. Let me see. Staking. Oh my god, it went down. That's okay. It went 8%. But that's fine. I got every day 11 cents. Do you want what I got? Let's see, account detail. Staking that 23rd yesterday. Another dot. So anyway, it's like that. Let me go back. This is my channel. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to make more video. Guys, any question, please comment in the bottom, like it. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now with my bot. Okay. You cannot over here. You cannot in Rebalancing Bot. You cannot UDT anytime without a grip like this. I don't think so. You have to sell it, and you cannot add money. Okay, guys. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Next year will be giving away something else, some coin, or comment what would you like to give away. Okay, coin, layer, a Pionex account with $100. Okay, comment please. If you comment all my videos and like all my videos for next year, I will planning to do. I don't know, you guys, whatever you tell me. About account, a coin, or a layer. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and have a nice Christmas. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you for all your support. Link will be in the bottom for KuCoin, Pioneer, or anything. If you wanted to follow me to see what I'm doing, just comment and I'll be coming back to you. So can I open a WhatsApp or to show what I doing. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.